Man, I'm bored. Let me go check on my phone. What do I do? Are you bored? Yes. Are you super duper bored? Totally yes. Well, you get to go to the race. So, the race gives you a trophy and the money. Cool. Cool, I really want some. Well, I don't want the money and the crown, but oh well. Let's go. Alright, you guys. So we need to just start the race, and before I hold the gun and hold the trigger, hey you! Huh? Can I join this race? Who are you? My name is Jonas Zima. Okay. Can I go to the race? Yeah, sure. Thank you. So we're gonna start the race until then. So guys, I know you're so excited, so we're gonna start later. Are you marked? I know you. Get set. Go! Oh. Okay, let's go. What did I say? Go, I said, oh. Who left the potato there? Oh well. In Springfield, Missouri. Oh well. By the Delta variant. Oh my God, I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm winning. I'm up. I mean, Jojo. Wake up. Huh? Where am I? Jojo, you know what just happened? What happened? You just got hit.